What is happening, everybody? Jim from Grassroots Piano. This is a lesson for beginners. We're going to work on basic chord shapes, patterns, rhythm patterns, as well as some basic singing and ear training. So that's an important part of any musician. We're going to start off with the basics and then build with some singing and then some more patterns. But if you like this content I'm asking now, please hit the like button so I know what's going on, because I'm here for all of you. We are in G major. All the chords we're playing is related to G major, and we are in 4/4 time. Let's take a look at the hand shapes. We're going to be using G, second inversion. Sometimes you'll see, by the way, a capital G or a G and an MAJ for nomenclature. That's what it's called. It's a fancy word. Every chord also has different symbols. On this channel, we're really focusing on some major and minor. There's a lot you can do with that. For now, I'm excited to get into seventh chords too. So now after the G major, we have D major. So you want to study that. And then we have E minor. And really try to hear that quality of the chord. And then C major, first inversion. Notice my fingering change, suggesting 1, 2, 5. All right, here we go. First pattern, I call it the warm up, and I'm gonna go through it once. You can play with me, but then after that, I'm gonna go through it again and I'm gonna hum the bass notes. Or you can put on what we call a neutral syllable. You can sing it on law if you want. Here I go. I better not, there we go. I had the chord stuck on my arm. And 3, 4, and here we go. Starting back, 4. Ba, da, da. Again, no piano left hand. Bum, dum, da, dum. All right, that's a very good skill to get down. If you get overwhelmed and not sure how to do that, just practice left hand and voice. Dum, 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 and C. I'm not trying to snap too loud because one of my viewers, Victoria, is jealous of my snapping. It's a skill, but you can get there. What we're going to do now is we are going to add in the root, the third and fifth of each chord. Let's take a look, just the left hand. This is for our brain and ear, but I'm going to show you through the piano too. So we're thinking, and if you are a lower singer like me, you don't have to go up there. You can go down here. That's part of singing that's a little tricky. So I'm going to be ba ba bum, and just get comfortable singing that. So now I'm going to sing ba ba dum, and backwards da da dum. Get comfortable. Again, this is for beginners, so you want to get a little ugly and work within a parameter. Now we're going to go to the D major chord. Ba dum da da dum, E minor. Ba do do ba do dum, C. Ba 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 do do do. And you don't have to get this structured. You can also just play and hum and sing, and if you like something, repeat that idea. But a lot of us like some sort of structure to get our feet wet. So now here I go. I'm gonna sing down there, but I'll play up here. Ba 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 da ba 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 bum. Yeah, my voice is tired today, but you get the idea. And pattern like this, and then when you're ready, get into the singing. Da da ba 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 ba. Practice holding long notes. La ba ba ba. Ba da ba ba da ba. All right, so I want to do more of that later, but now let's get into more rhythmic patterns with the hands. All right, so here we go. We are going to start with G, and we're going to do octaves, and we're just thinking here and then down. You're going to practice that in half notes. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then E2 and 3, 4, C2, 3, 4. I guarantee you if you've been singing the roots, you're instinctively going to get this faster. So it's all about the ear, eye, eyes, and hands getting to the keys. What I'm going to do is play, I'll just play quarter notes in the right hand like I've been doing, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Play with me, try to get, and 2, and you can hum That's really good skill to get down, because now we're going to add in some rhythm in the left hand. Let's look at the left hand. In G, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? These rhythms are really popular. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. What I would suggest is, if you want to just practice that a bunch, you're on 1, and for the counters in the room, you're on 1, and then you're on the and of 3. The right hand, we're gonna just have it on the pocket, kind of like a drum part, 2 and 4. It'll sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I like it. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I just added a little bit. It's totally good to do that. It's fine. Now what I'm going to do is talk about rhythmic anticipation. I love this one. I'm very excited about it. We're going to have the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can add some variety if you wish. If you think you're getting comfortable, you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. But think musically. It's good to get those patterns down, but it's okay to just do one note too. You don't always have to overdo the left hand. So we had this, right? 1, 2, 3. Oh, hold on. I got my brain. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Same thing, but now with the left hand. All right, so it's a little swapping. Sometimes these things are easier, like when you're listening to it, when you get to it, you have to work it out. So I'm going to go ahead now. Right hand's just doing this. 1, 2, and 1. And I'm playing really percussive right now, just so you can feel the beat. So now we have the left hand. Going to do the anticipation. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to slow it down. Sorry. 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 2. And you can do it that way. I think originally, sorry, I went 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have one more idea before we go. 3, 4. So this is simple, and some of us are like, well, I can do this, I'm going to move on. But you know what? If you really listen and try different ideas, you can add a lot of color. So I'm just doing 2, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and I did a little difference there because I was adding a small little chordal fill-in coming into it. So a musician said this to me years ago, a famous musician actually, Dave Samuels. He was in Spiral Gyra, he played marimba, vibraphone, but he mentioned time just jamming and playing and experimenting is time worth spent. It's also fun. So keep that in mind. If you like this video, you're going to want to check out these series because we'll set you up for success. Until next time, I wish everyone well. And again, hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And definitely subscribe and notification bell. Notification bell is where it's at. That's more important than subscribing, because if you don't hit the notification bell, you'll never see me again, maybe. All right, see ya.